Unlock the future with IoT development, connecting devices, data, and people for smarter business solutions. Businesses face complexity integrating diverse devices, ensuring security, and scaling IoT applications efficiently. As a trusted IoT app development company, we build secure, scalable Internet of Things solutions tailored to your business needs. Our IoT development services include custom IoT software development, end-to-end device integration, robust IoT security and data analytics, scalable platforms for long-term growth. We power connected innovation across healthcare, energy, agriculture, automotive, smart buildings, and more, helping businesses thrive with IoT. Ready to transform your business with IoT? Visit Mobisoft Infotech.com and partner with a leading IoT development company today.